Hello, I'm Mark, the Operations Director of CFone Communications. Glad for you to join me today. And today we're going to be having a look at Yealink's latest models of phones, which are just out this month. I've got the T8 series, which is kind of like a reception stroke executive phone. The T7 series, which is a sort of manager's office phone. And I've also got the portable AX series phones, which are, and the name suggests, portable phones. Okay, so without further ado, let's have a look at these phones one by one in turn. Starting off here, we have got the AX86R. Now this is Yealink's portable phone. It's also a ruggedized version. It's IP67 rated, which means it's coffee proof, dust proof, and even shock proof. What you get in the box: manual, clip for putting it on your belt, the phone, of course, and you get a handy desktop charger. These come in both 2-pin and USB-C style chargers. This one here is the 2-pin one. So when you first get your phone, let's have a look and see what you have to do. Okay, so on the first screen you get a selection of languages, so we're going to choose English. And then you get a quick Wi-Fi or a known available networks. We're going to choose available networks. And then you get a choice of the available networks. So let's choose where we are today. Next screen is where we put the password in. Once you've entered it, press save. And you're asked for a time zone. We're in GMT, so I'll just hit next. And you're also offered to change the password, and you should do that for security reasons. We're just going to change the password to something different now. And when you're finally done entering the password, just press save. And that's it, you're ready to go. Now the next thing is auto provisioning the phone to make sure that the phone is connected to your network. We're already connected to the Wi-Fi here. Okay, so once you've ended up putting in the password, you're ready to go. Some of the features of this phone that make them so excellent for mobile workers are they've got Wi-Fi connectivity, that's Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5, so you can connect them to your Bluetooth devices, use them hands-free. Being hands-free is really convenient because with the clip to your belt, you can use them hands-free for working up a ladder or working hands-free or potentially doing CPR in a school or in a health environment. So Bluetooth works really well for that. Also being Wi-Fi 6 compatible, they're great for working around bigger environments. Previous ones were decked. These ones now being Wi-Fi 6 means you can cover an entire building with one device. Other notable features are they're ruggedized to IP67, which effectively means you can drop this phone from 1.8 meters onto concrete. It will still work. It's got a nice ruggedized case. Also, this phone is waterproof. You can drop it in your bucket of water, a cup of coffee, or even down the toilet, although I wouldn't want to use it after it's been used down in the toilet. Furthermore, the sound quality is excellent on these phones. They've got immense noise cancelling properties, so you can use them in noisy environments such as classrooms, warehouses, factories, anywhere where there's a lot of noise. They cancel the noise out very well. And finally, you'll be wondering what this little red button is on the top here. So this little red button is excellent for broadcasting. You can configure it to whatever you want to do. Configure it to press 999 or to dial a group of people or do a tannoy announcement, or you can have it so that you press it and it only records what's going on the situation. Also, there's a sensor. So if you drop the phone on the floor or you fall off a ladder or you're still for a certain amount of time, it will notify certain groups of people. And it also has got a sensor for if you're running. So if you're running to something or running away from something, it can also make a call. Potentially you might be in a dangerous situation such as a lone worker. So a really, really handy phone, I think, and a great update to the previous decked models. This is the AX86R.